This is a CBS 42 winter weather update.
Good afternoon, Gene Norman in the CBS 42 Weather Center. I'm tracking a system that's bringing rain, sleet, and snow across Alabama. We've just started to get the snow here atop Red Mountain. Also, decent amounts of rain down to the south toward Montgomery, but it's snow out in Tuscaloosa for the last hour or so, and even that is beginning to mix with a little bit of sleet. Let's take a live look out in T-Town, and you can see it's a little bit of light snow out there, not really accumulating on the ground, but it will be accumulating on grassy areas and elevated areas. The ground temperature, thankfully, is above the freezing mark. Now let's swing it over to Tiffany Westry on congested Highway 280. That's a spot where traffic normally backs up. Tiffany, what's it looking like there?
Well, Gene, we are here on 280 just before the summit, and traffic began to get a little heavy around 2 o'clock when schools began to start dismissing early. And so it looks like rush hour is getting an early start here along 280. So be a little patient as you all try to head home this evening, getting ahead of the weather. And we are here keeping an eye on traffic and road conditions just in case that wintry mix makes its way to this area. Gene?
Tiffany, it should be by you within the next half hour. Again, temperatures are above freezing. That's the difference between this week's snow and last week's snow. But even what does fall may ice up overnight on elevated bridges and roadways if it doesn't evaporate in the cold wind. Coming up in the next half hour, we'll have another update on this snow that's moving through and a complete report on CBS 42 News at 5 and on CBS42.com. We now join Dr. Phil.
This has been a CBS 42 winter weather update.